Yes.
Yeah, so we have just now completed a wonderful financial consultation call with Mr. Anup Kumar Nayak. He is from Bangalore. He is an IT professional with more than 25-30 years of experience in one of the multinational company. And it's a very great knowing you personally as well as financially. And I just would like to know your feedback. Like since more than 2 hours we are connected discussing about your finances. So I would like to know your views, your feedback. How you feel after getting your financial life reviewed and the kind of solution you got from my side. So looking forward to hear from you, sir. Anupji.
Yes, Shyam, it was a very nice, I think, discussion we had. And always, I think, one-to-one discussion help you to put the doubt in front, and you are able to clear all the doubts. So I'm very happy the way the conversation happened. So I will suggest, I think, there's a good way to understand how the financial planning need to be done. And I think Shyam has put very detailed and very easy way to understand even if non-financial guy. So I hope he will continue.
Thank you, sir. So which is the biggest takeaway for you? Like what is the main takeaway which change your mindset from point A to point B in this conversation?
One thing is, yes, actually, because we are hearing from different people. So always when we are hearing from kind of some kind of expert, definitely the kind of priority we should give to where to invest and where to start. So that is a main I learned from this discussion.
Great. So thank you very much, sir, for your valuable time and valuable inputs, valuable feedback. So I will definitely work on. I have noted down all the inputs, and we will connect next week once again and finalize your financial plan, and we will proceed accordingly. So thank you once again, and wishing you a great life ahead. Wishing you to retire financially free life, uh, based on your wish in next 5 to 10 years from now. So thank you very much once again, and looking forward to see you. Thank you.
Thank you.